drawn the margin on three sides, and this side being the upper side. Either we can draw the margin, because margin always looks neat and clean, or you can just leave this side. If you have this kind of a spiral book, you can leave this side. But the other three side margins are really important to give our artwork a very neat and lovely look. Now what are we going to do? We are going to draw a turtle. So for the turtle, the first thing I need is an oval. So one important thing we need to learn is to draw super lightly. So you just need to touch your pencil to the book. Just touch. No pressure, nothing. Make very light lines. I am making a little darker lines so that you are able to see the drawing. So the oval, but see, the oval has an axis like this. So if we draw an arrow, it is looking like this way and this way, not a straight oval. Okay, so this is the arrow for you to understand how the oval is looking. Now what is the shape of the oval? The oval is just like an egg. You know the shape of an egg, you know the shape of an oval. Now the lower part of the oval, I will make a double line like this. Nice, looks good. Next comes, so this is, as you have understood rightly by now, okay, this is the shell of the turtle. So this is the body which is visible, or the lower part of the shell might be. Now the shell is a very interesting part. So how to make the shell look like a proper shell? Okay, so we make this zigzag lines like triangles, and then we join the lines with the other side of the body. And you can join this, just make some curved lines to join them over here. So see, pretty cool. We have got the shell of our turtle. The next thing we are going to draw is another oval, which will represent what? Yes, which will represent the head of our Mr. Turtle or Miss Turtle, we do not know. And the head will be joined with a neck. Once you have drawn the head and the neck, you can erase this line, and you can just make it like this. The eye will come somewhere over here. You can make it a little more curved line like this. Okay, so we have what all we have got? We have got a shell and the head and neck of our turtle. Now let us make this part a little more interesting. So I am erasing this line of the oval and making it like this, and let this come and join over here. Yes, there can be more than one line. The rest is pretty easy. So we will be making the hands and feet. So the hand on the right hand side, like this side, will be coming from below the shell. And you can, since we cannot see the lower part of the shell, you can just start it from here. Similarly, the feet will be starting from this area, and here the feet will be starting from somewhere over here. I will erase the part which is in between. This is called overlapping. So something is coming in front of something. So the thing which is on the back side will not be visible. And this we will call what? Overlapping. So we are pretty much done with our turtle. Then we can add some small patches which we will often see in the body of the turtles. So they look something like the scale, but they are not as like scales. Rather they are something called, this beehive design. So where you have joined patterns like this, small and big. A few of them will be there, becoming smaller towards the end. You see they are joined patterns. One pattern is joined with the other. Same thing, a few of them in the, like as we are moving towards the end, you can make one or two scangalon patterns. So but more near the body, the patterns are all joined towards each other. Okay, so we are done with our turtle drawing. Now where will the turtle be? Of course in the water. So let us make some waves over here. We are making double line of the waves so that we can color them properly. So this is the water, or the it can be a river, a lake, a sea, we do not know. Now there will be a river bed or water bed where we will see some water plants growing. Again there is an overlapping and you need to erase. Now this part of the wig can come in front of the turtle or can go in the back. Let us make it a little more challenging by bringing it in the front. So, challenging and interesting. See? So the turtle is on the back and the weeds are, the seaweeds or something, they are in the front of us. And what more? A little few pebbles on the bed. Always remember, when we are making anything in numbers, the numbers has to be odd number. So here I have even number, I will add one more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's an odd number. Okay. So I guess I'm happy with the drawing. So let us get to the next part of our drawing. So here we are going to outline the entire drawing with a black pen. So quickly go and get your black pen. So here I have got a black pen. The black pen should not be a Sharpie or a sketch pen. It has to be only a ballpoint pen. A simple ballpoint pen. So we are going to outline the entire drawing. You can start from anywhere, but generally we will start from our subject, which is the turtle. Now see, that's why I was asking you not to make it too dark, because eventually we are going to outline it with a black pen, which will give you enough darkness before you go for coloring. Everything we will outline, we will darken the eyes and all, but we are not going to outline these lines or these patterns. Okay, so we will leave them as they are, and then we will go for the seaweeds over here. The rocks on the waterway. And then we are going to outline the water waves as well. I initially thought I won't, but again I thought, let me color and give them a more prominent look. Now when you are outlining, you will see the outline is not always following the pencil mark. No need. See, this is how the drawing is looking, and here now I am going to erase the pencil marks which are peeping out from behind the pen marks. Remember, we are not erasing this part because we will need those parts when we are coloring. Carefully keeping this pencil marks here and erasing the rest. So this is how our drawing looks. Now I want you guys to color it at home and show me in the next session or before the next session. So you can post the color drawings in our YouTube, or I will just share you our Instagram ID. You can put it over there, but make sure you color them and show it to us, and I will color it and show you before the next video next week. So till then, happy painting. Bye bye.